How an ESTP acts when they like someone. ESTP individuals may exhibit specific behaviors when they develop feelings for someone. Here are some signs to look for. Bold and confident approach. ESTPs are known for their bold and confident nature. When they like someone, they may take a direct and assertive approach, expressing their feelings openly. Spontaneous adventures. ESTPs enjoy spontaneity and excitement. If they like someone, they may initiate spontaneous activities or adventures, seeking to share thrilling experiences together. Physical affection. Physical touch is a common way for ESTPs to express affection. They may engage in playful touching, hugs, or other physical gestures to convey their romantic interest. Sense of humor. ESTPs often use humor as a way to connect with others when they like someone. They may employ their wit and charm, making the person laugh and creating a lively atmosphere. Active participation. ESTPs enjoy being actively engaged, and when they have romantic feelings, they may actively participate in the interests and activities of the person they like. Competitive playfulness. ESTPs may engage in competitive and playful activities as a form of flirting. They enjoy a sense of challenge and may use friendly competition to express their interest. Protective instincts. ESTPs may display protective instincts toward the person they like, showing concern for their well-being and offering support when needed. How to make an ESTP like you. Be open to spontaneity. Embrace spontaneity and be open to trying new and exciting activities. ESTPs appreciate partners who share their adventurous spirit. Respond to physical affection. Be comfortable with physical affection. ESTPs often express their feelings through touch, so reciprocating with warmth and physical gestures is important. Appreciate humor. Enjoy a good sense of humor. ESTPs value partners who can appreciate their wit and engage in playful banter. Engage in active pursuits. Participate in active and engaging activities together. ESTPs enjoy partners who share their enthusiasm for life and are actively involved in shared interests. Be playfully competitive. Engage in playful competition. ESTPs enjoy friendly challenges and may find it attractive when a partner can keep up with their competitive and playful nature. Show independence while being actively engaged. Also maintain your independence. ESTPs appreciate partners who have their own interests and pursuits. Acknowledge their protective nature. Acknowledge and appreciate their protective instincts. ESTPs may express care through their protective nature, and recognizing this can strengthen your connection. In summary, connecting with an ESTP involves embracing spontaneity, responding to physical affection, appreciating humor, engaging in active pursuits, being playfully competitive, maintaining independence, and acknowledging their protective instincts.